Hopefully the camera's seeing the drone. I have to have the phone in my hand so that it'll record the audio through the drone itself. So hopefully the drone's showing up. I'll do the best that I can so you can see what it's like. And we're coming up here, matey. See if it'll get it to track it. I'd like the gimbal to track it, but the drone's too small for it to be able to handle, so otherwise the gimbal would turn around and follow the drone wherever it goes. And so anyway, we'll get up to here. It is the 17th of November, Sunday. It is 7:35 a.m. No, sorry, 7:58 a.m. Got it set to low tracking, so it's showing my whole body, but not too far away because I'm in this sort of space where you got the bit of a gap here where the fence is, the gate and that. So we can show what it's seeing. But in editing I should be able to zoom in and show the drone the way it is. We'll go up about halfway up here, and then we'll go across the field, put my stuff down, get everything ready, and off we go. So we can get some more footage, practice with it. I'm pretty much set with it. Try and get some eye contact with the drone itself, so it looks really good. You know, it is quite a hot day. So let's go across the field. It should spin around, follow me. Okay. Yeah, it'll catch up. What it seems to. There is plovers. They're really annoying. Plovers might attack it. Hopefully not. I'm trying to get under cover before they come back. I think plovers are pretty bad here. If you go in certain spots, like when I was down here these last two times, it wasn't too bad in this spot. But there was people in other spots where they went down to. I followed, so. So hopefully this little camera is picking up the drone or where it is, so you get more of an idea. And that. Okay. We're going to stop here so I can put my stuff down. Okay, it's set to high and close now. Let's see how that goes. So it should be up higher, but just fairly close to me. Trying to get some extra footage before I leave. Now it's fully charged. Second battery's not, because you've got to charge it in the drone. So we might get another lot out of it and then go after this. But anyway, let me know what you think of the sound quality too, because it's not picking up any drone noise per se. And you might hear a little bit here and there. I noticed when I was doing it the other day. Okay, let's do a circle. We'll get it more towards the middle. Get it to spin around me. Now it's on a circle, it'll do a 360. And then the recording just automatically stops. Then we'll do just a play around where I control it myself. Then go up as high as it can go and show you. Okay, now we're on manual control. Going to get it go down slightly so it can see me a little bit. And then, where's the sun? That way. Well, we'll turn the camera, the whole drone around here. so it's not getting affected by the sun with the picture quality. Now you'll be able to see me again. Now we go up, video, up. The only thing is the sun's in my eyes now. I've got to face the other direction. So you'll see me facing back towards the covered area, so I can actually see. Get it up to its full height. At these settings anyway, there's probably a setting where you can unlock it to go higher, but I don't need to go any higher. And we'll adjust the camera angle as we get up. You can see the clouds and that, you can see the horizon as it goes up. I mean, I can hold the phone up a little bit more and get a bit more height. I'm going to do a little 360 where it pans around slowly so you can see how it's showing it. Takes a little while to do a full 360. Got to use the inner joystick, the circle, to be able to get those sort of increments. Otherwise it just goes too fast. If you go rotate left, rotate right. Strong wind warning. It's usually fine in the strong wind warning. I can see the drone. It's about as high as normal stadium lights that we got down here anyway. Nearly in line with it. A little bit higher than it. Within the laws anyway. This will not go out of the laws in this setting. And we'll get some photos. Right, bring it down.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude reached. Go nearly all the way around, 360. Back towards the sun direction, I think, just about soon. Yeah, nearly.
Max altitude reached.
Anyway, now we're going to stop it. You won't get any recall. You won't hear me talking when I do it to the photos, but whatever photos I take, they'll end up on the end of the video. Okay, now we're bringing it down with it straight. Like the camera's facing straight down. Aerial view. So it's slowly coming down, it's not fast. When it comes down, it's safe. Okay, which way is it facing? It's hard to see because of the sun and the way the gimbal is. Let's get it back up to straight. Get into the shade while it does a fly around. Won't go too far because it'll get low on battery, and I don't really want to walk too far in the sun to get the drone. It's not anywhere near full height now, it's about half.
Max flight distance reached.
Well, that's your max flight. That's not too bad. Go up higher. Right up and see what it does. So when the bird's hitting it, there it is. Yeah, you got to keep it in sight. That's one of the laws. Where you can see it. And you got to keep an eye out for airplanes and things.
Max altitude reached.
Do a 360 here. Now we'll get some photos too, and then we'll bring it down in a little bit. Once I decide to stay and get some more battery charged into it. See it struggling just that little bit because of the distance away it is. Keep 360 going because I want to get some cloud photos soon too. Now it's doing well, really good. You set your expectations for a $399 drone, and just like wow, or $299, sorry, and just like wow, you're not gonna get, you know, DJI inspired drone distance and all that out of it, but still very impressive. And there we go. And now I'm going to do photos.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Okay, so we'll get this cut. So it's facing me. Follow me. See how it goes, see how it goes. That's my pocket. No, not even doing that. signal's like really low. Alright. There's some selfie time. Spin it around so we've got better lighting. Yeah, as well as I would like it to. Let's see how the Osmo Pocket's got in this.